Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. We have an Olympia Express here. This machine is not a young fella, and the customer brought it in because it would not turn on. The switch that you can see with the red light, etc., that is working now. We had to do some schematic drawing and figure some stuff out, but we put a new switch in, we wired it up, and it's working wonderfully. We then noticed that it was leaking, so we contacted the owner, and he didn't want to go forward with it. He's got it to a position where it's working again. We're happy with it. So is he. He's going to take it home, and let's lift this up, let some water out so you can see that it's working. Woo! That is working. Alright, well, thanks for bringing it in. If you like this video, please give us a like, and if you do, subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out, and we'll keep making these videos. Have a good one.